a magical New Year's Eve at Phillip Island. On the evening of 31st December 2025, as the world prepared to welcome a new year, something far more special awaited us. A dream lovingly planned by our daughter Grusha, a gift not wrapped in paper but in experience, emotion, and wonder. She had carefully arranged something extraordinary for us, the world famous Phillip Island Penguin Parade. An experience so rare that tickets were unavailable for weeks ahead, but her thoughtful planning ensured we would witness this magical spectacle, a moment we would carry in our hearts forever. We arrived at Penguin Center at 7 p.m. right on reporting time. The place was alive, buzzing with excitement, filled with thousands of people from around the world, all gathered for this one unforgettable moment. Though it was summer in Australia, the air here told a different story. A sharp, chilling breeze swept through, carrying whispers from the distant Antarctic. We could feel the cold piercing through layers of warm cloth, making us shiver, yet our excitement kept us warm from within. Inside the center, time seemed to slow down. Beautiful penguin paintings adorned the walls. Small sculptures stood like silent storytellers, and every corner carried the history of these incredible little beings. Soon after completing the formalities, we began our walk. A long stretch, nearly 2 kilometers, towards the sea-facing sitting area. With every step, the world around us transformed. The cold breeze grew stronger. The rhythmic sound of the ocean waves turned almost musical, and the fading daylight painted the sky in soft, magical hues. It felt like nature itself was preparing us for something extraordinary. We finally reached our designated sitting area. Thousands had already gathered, all eyes fixed on the vast, darkening sea. Time passed slowly, 1 hour, then another. The cold intensified, our hands trembled, yet no one moved, because we all knew something magical was about to unfold. Above us, seagulls circled endlessly, as if they too were part of this grand performance.
31 दिसंबर की वो शाम थी, 8 बजे का सुनहरा नाम थी। समंदर किनारे बैठे थे हम, फिलिप आइलैंड का वो अरमान थी। पंकज और अनु खामोश मगर दिल में हलचल, आँखों में सफर। लहरों की सरगम गुनगुना रही, जैसे कोई छेड़े मधुर सा स्वर।
ठंडी हवाओं में वो जादू था, अंटार्कटिका से आया रुबाब था। सेहरन में भी एक गर्मी थी, हर पल में छुपा एक ख्वाब था। पूरे समंदर तू गवाह बन, ये पल को हमेशा याद आएगा।
गर्मी में भी ठंड उतर आई, हवा ने जैसे बर्फ छुलाई। हजारों लोग थे साथ मगर अपनी दुनिया बस हम तक आई। ऊपर से सीगल उड़ते रहे, आसमां में चक्कर काटते रहे। नीचे लहरों की तान बजी, जैसे सुर खुद ही सजते रहे।
ठंडी हवाओं में वो जादू था, हर सांस में एक एहसास था। कांपते बदन, धड़कता दिल, ये पल भी कितना खास था। फिर गहराई से उभरे वो, नन्हे कदमों से चल पड़े वो। सैकड़ों पेंगुइन एक साथ धरती को जैसे छू रहे वो।
And finally then 8:45 p.m. a ripple of excitement spread across the crowd. At first, just a few tiny figures appeared, little penguins emerging from the waves, only to retreat back into the sea as if unsure. But then, slowly, beautifully, they returned. This time in groups, then in dozens, and then in almost hundreds. Tiny, determined, fearless, they marched forward together from the deep ocean towards their homes on land. It was really breathtaking. A moment beyond words. A moment where time stood still. And as we began walking back, something even more magical happened. On both sides of the pathway, penguins walked alongside us. It felt as if we were part of their world, as if we were all moving together, humans and nature side by side. A rare harmony, a silent connection, an unforgettable feeling. Later back at the center, we paused to capture a few memories, warming our hands with cups of hot tea, still lost in the magic we had just witnessed. And then, our daughter Grusha arrived to pick us up, her eyes filled with joy, knowing she had gifted us something truly priceless. That night was not just about welcoming a new year. It was about celebrating love, thoughtfulness, and the beauty of nature. A once-in-a-lifetime experience etched forever in our hearts. A memory we will cherish for the rest of our lives.
हर कदम में एक कहानी थी, प्रकृति की अपनी निशानी थी। हम भी उनके संग चल पड़े, जैसे कोई पुरानी रवानी थी।
ये कोई साधारण मंजर नहीं, ये जीवन का एक वरदान है। कुदरत की गोद में बैठा इंसान खुद से मिलने का एहसान है। ठंडी हवाओं में वो जादू था, हर लम्हा जैसे रुक जाना था। पेंगुइन के संग वो सफर एक बार ही सही बस पाना था।